How to speed up your smartphone internet. Guys, if you use your smartphone to watch video, to access website, and you like open multiple browsers at the same time, you might experience low speed on this. In this video, I will guide you on how to speed up your smartphone internet just by enabling the hidden DNS settings. Guys, this is very simple and pretty. Within 1 minute, you are done. First, go to your Google Chrome browser and tap on it. Do this on your Android device. Tap on the three dots at top of the screen. Now scroll up and tap on Settings button. Once tap on Settings button, scroll up until you get to Privacy and Security. Tap on it. Once tap on Privacy and Security, scroll up a bit until you get to this option that says Use Secure DNS. Tap on it. Now, if you take a look at what is here, it is under automatic. It tells that it is switching from one DNS to the other. Tap on it. Now that I've tapped on it, you have this option that says you use your current service provider, that is secure DNS may not be available all time. Then tap on choose another provider. Now, once tap on this choose, you likely see what is called custom, or tap on the arrow at the front. Now you have a lot of options here. You have Nest DNS, Open DNS, Cloudflare, Clean Browsing, that is Family Filter, and Google Public DNS. So I will encourage you guys to choose from Cloudflare and Google Public DNS. If you choose from Cloudflare and Google Public DNS, your internet speed is going to be very fast and smooth. And if you choose that of Cloudflare as well, Cloudflare 111, your internet speed is going to be very fast and smooth. But if you want to prevent your kids from accessing some websites, go ahead and tap on Clean Browser, so it filters some websites for them. So as an adult that wants a very faster speed on their internet, on their smart device, use Google Public DNS or Cloudflare. Then you tap back. So that's all, guys. If you enjoy what I've explained in this video and if you're not subscribed, please 1 second. That's what you can do for me to motivate me. Subscribe, like, and drop your comment in the comment section.